drawstation pass.
Hello everyone, it's me, your host, Mr. Sean. Thank you very much for tuning in. Her eyes twinkle like two stars, lighting up the night sky. Rumour has it that wherever she goes, stardust follows. But folks might just be seeing things. This classy V-shaped map female cub villager is none other than Judy, who may or may not be inspired by a famous TV judge. She is one of the most popular characters alongside Raymond from the hugely popular Animal Crossing New Horizons game. Judy has a snooty personality, what, and doesn't get on with normal villagers. Her birthday is on March the 10th and she has a love for music and fairy tale dresses. I'm dancing my dreams away. To get Judy to come to your island, there are a few things you can do. Number 1. The first method is entirely reliant on luck. Whenever you have an open plot available on your island, you'll have until 5 a.m. the next day before it gets automatically filled with a random villager. Number 2, Mystery Island tours with Nook Miles tickets. As long as you have an open plot, you'll be able to meet new villagers during these tours and invite them over. Number 3, finally. The best surefire way of getting Judy is simply by convincing another friend to kick her out of their island, if they have her. If Judy agrees to move out, she'll start packing up her stuff at home and you can go over to convince her to move to your island. You do need an open plot for this to work. However, I hope this helps. And voila! Our drawing is done. Until next time, thanks for watching and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.